How many steaks are we cooking today? First of all,
hold on.
Wash your hands. Because nobody wants hepatitis. Now dry with a clean towel. I'm going to be doing this the entire time, explaining every little step. Now put it back. Now, grab the steak. Is it recording?
Yes. Not getting your head.
I don't need my head, just need my hands.
Hey, wait a second. Why are you explaining how to do this when you don't know how to do it yourself?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Steak. Ooh. How many steaks are we doing? 2?
All 4.
Okay. Okay. Seasonings. What seasonings do I use?
See, you don't know how to do it. So,
Isn't there this stuff? The yummy stuff.
This is the Longhorn Steakhouse Grill seasoning.
Don't try it plain.
Then we go up here.
Tenderizer. Oh, there's a big one. Oh,
Yes,
never
grab that one too.
mind. Okay. Okay, I gotta show you the seasonings.
These are the seasonings that we will be using.
I think it's still frozen. Okay, now you're going to take your Longhorn Steakhouse Grill seasoning. Open it up. Smell how strong it is. Taste it. I'm kidding, don't taste it.
Yeah.
What? I don't
Do
make mistakes
not
like you
take
do.
it. Do not taste it.
You said it wrong. Okay.
Whoa, baby girl. Okay, that's plenty. That's more than enough.
Well, I like mine seasoned.
Well, it's gonna be seasoned. A little more.
Oops. Miss.
Goodness. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Now you take
The tenderizer.
the Goldholes brand that has no MSGs
What's MSG?
and start way up here.
Is that too much?
No, keep going. You really can't put enough of this stuff on because it doesn't have salt flavor. Repeat, it does not have a salty flavor.
Did they use this stuff too?
They used a cheap knockoff brand. Keep going. It's not enough.
It is not. It just sinks in.
Keep going. Okay, don't get it all over the table.
Oops. Okay.
Okay, now you take the tenderizer.
Favorite part.
Okay, not that many holes in one spot. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes into it, and you see how there's a liquid forming on top of the steaks that was not there just a minute ago. Okay, after brushing the grill very carefully, now you pick it up.
Ooh.
Hurry. Oh my gosh,
I don't cook steaks. Leave me
you
alone.
must be new.
Okay. Listen to that sizzle.
You hear the
Dad,
sizzle.
you're gonna get burnt.
You hear the cows saying, ouch, ouch, it's hot.
Dad, we need help.
Okay, just Just close the lid. And now is when you put your timer on, and you want about 3 minutes on each side. Thank you.
It has been 3.5 minutes. And now we will flip them. Oh, look at that yumminess!
And we shall wait another 3.5 minutes.
Thank you.
Into this beautiful, delicious steak. Ooh, that's a little bit too done for me. So maybe instead of 3 minutes, you go 2 minutes. Anyway, well, we shall see just how good it is.
I approve. I approve.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Woohoo!
Oh, how lame! Hey, good job.
Thank you. How did I flip?
So that is how you do these steaks. You don't do it any other way, Chelsea. You don't doctor the seasoning. You don't put anything else that you think you want on there, Chelsea and Mom. But oh yeah, this is some good stuff.